SPAGO SBI underscore function underscore roles tables present in my MySQL database. SPAGO VI functions roles. SPAGO VI functions role. In the database, more than 100 tables present for configuration files and other database files. SBI underscore authorizations used for particular authorizations for we want to give any users for access the reports and dashboard and other graphs. SBI underscore authorize underscore roles table store particular user have roles in database as a suppose as a we want to give role as particular user send mail and other informations and access particular BI admin and other Spago BI related information data. Suppose we want to create new user. Bhupesh Sisondia. Full name Bhupesh Sisondia. Password we want to say sorry password is not match. Select role attribute before you cannot select any role then cannot save in database because by minimum one roles can be choose. After that you can add Bhupesh. This is my password in encrypted form and full name ID 21 and super admin is not 0. If you can change your particular value 1 then you make your user as a super admin but by default is 0. User in BI admin and this is date my 16036 and 827. If you want to give manually username from database to browser reflect, then insert here. This is password. Insert manually. Full name. User ID 22. Not a super admin, then insert 0. User in BI admin. Created date. Insert manually. And SP version 4.0 by default. And organization is Pego BI. Apply. Successful apply and change browser. User management. Arvind Pal. Manual insert from database and reflect on browser. Arvind Pal. Cannot give any role. If I want to save on browser, then save in database. Reload browser. User management and choose role. Present 3 roles. Attributes. Address, birth date, email name and super name. If I want to save name, address, birth date, email name and username, then by default store in my attributes, user attributes table. This present here. Attribute value. This is role management. Suppose server underscore role have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 roles. I want to change send underscore mail in database, then reflect on browser and uncheck. Pego BI underscore roles table. External roles. Sorry. Pego BI external roles present here. Server roles. External ID 39. And roles category present here. 39 category ID 141 and user role present here. 39